Let's look outside. We see some blue out there in the sky, some cloud cover too. Really big changes though coming. Let's go to Heisel for the latest.
Yes, I think we'll have some peaks of sun here and there this morning and into the early parts of the afternoon as a warm front is lifting. We'll bring in some clouds back into the area. So right now starting to warm up at least a little bit. It's going to be a very slow warm up because we started off so cold this morning. Joliet right now at 40 degrees, 37 at the lakefront, Waukegan at 35, McHenry at 38 degrees, 36 degrees right now in Gary. So for the rest of today, again, it's going to be a very slow warm air, very slowly that warm air is going to push in. So at the lakeside about 46 for our high temperature. Inland spots do make it into the low 50s, and as that front is getting closer to us, we could also see a few sprinkles through the afternoon, but I do think eventually we'll have a little bit of sunshine here in the next hour or two. We're already starting to see that around here downtown. Then we turn our attention to our system coming in on Friday that will likely bring in severe weather. So right now this low pressure system, you can kind of see it swirling here into the Rockies, still has to go across the Rockies and then get to us by tomorrow. So it is a fast moving system. Here's where it'll be around 1 p.m. this afternoon, so in a couple of hours, and then it comes racing in here as we go into the afternoon tomorrow. As it approaches us, there could be our first round of this early in the afternoon, starting anywhere from about 1 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, these thunderstorms, I don't think will be severe, but we will keep a very close eye on them because the atmosphere has a lot of moisture in it, and we have the ingredients to have severe weather around for tomorrow. And so because of that, we will keep a very close eye on them. But we are most concerned as this low pressure system gets closer to us. Attached to that is a cold front, and this is what we call a squall line. So it is a line of thunderstorms right along the cold front that approaches our area as we get closer to sunset tomorrow. That same system behind it will bring in some light snow on Saturday morning and some very windy conditions as well. So here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center, the latest forecast. It hasn't changed, but it might change later this afternoon. They do have parts of our area, so our southwest counties, that 3 out of 5 severe risk for the day tomorrow, and we are concerned with all of it. Damaging wind gusts, hail is possible, and also the chance for tornadoes. So here's a look at the timeline for this. 3 in the morning, overnight tonight, we'll have some showers and perhaps a downpour or two. Same thing for the morning commute tomorrow. There could be some showers and maybe a downpour. Then as we head into the afternoon, this is our first round. We have that potential for our first round to move in between 1 and 3 p.m. But because we have a gap in between the next round, it's enough for the atmosphere to warm back up, and it does look like we'll have another round coming in. And again, this is the one we are the most concerned with right around sunset, maybe starting time 5-6 p.m., closer to sunset approaching our area. And this is the one that could potentially bring in those damaging wind gusts and perhaps a few tornadoes into our area as well. That races out of here, and then overnight we clear up, and then some wraparound moisture comes in, and we're talking the chance for some light snow possible on Saturday, low 40s there. Sunday we start to slowly clear things out. Temperatures will be into the 50s, and then on Monday for the White Sox, we're looking at temperatures in the 50s and just partly cloudy skies.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.